Welcome to WorldFamousFoodz from Phoenix, Arizona. Today we're doing St. Louis style ribs. Okay, so we took our membrane off, we washed this. Gonna pat dry a little bit here. Now, use our binder, we're using our Sugar Ray, Sweet Baby Ray, Sweet Mustard, Sugar Ray, Sweet Baby Ray, Mustard. You know this one right here, look at that. You can use any type of rub, but today we're using this Pork Perfect. Just put it on there, just put it on there. Got our oven preheated right now, we're waiting to reach our temperature of 350 Fahrenheit. Flip this over, other side. Don't be afraid to put it on there, trust me, it's gonna all good taste in there. Look at that. Probably Ron Daniel's gonna watch this too, huh? Hey Ron, we in Phoenix doing this. All right. That's that. Okay, now we're gonna put this in some aluminum foil. As we're still waiting for our oven to hit 350. All right, let's wait for our oven. Okay, so we're at 350 now. Let's put our St. Louis style ribs in the oven, baby. Try 1 hour. Right. Let's take this out. All right. Gonna finish this up now. Okay. Put our barbecue sauce on now. Smell that, Shane? Yo. Look at that. Look at that. Ron Daniels, eat your heart out, buddy. Again, world famous, Phoenix, Arizona. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the oven. About 5 more minutes. Let that barbecue sauce get on there. Okay, Shane, I think we're good. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. Alrighty. Here we go, our St. Louis style ribs, world famous.